Hi, this video I'm going to tell you guys about all the books that I have planned to read this February. And if you know me, I have read a lot of books last year and I literally read like 12 to 13 books a month. But this time I'm not gonna do that. I do have to prepare for a lot of things, I do have a lot of work, so I'm just gonna be optimistic and say 5 to 6 books. It pains me to say that because I wanted to read like more than 10 to 15 books, but we are just gonna keep it like 5 to 6 books this month, because even in January I just read like 6 yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna read 5 to 6 novels and I'm gonna show what I've planned for my February TBR. Number one, Shopaholic series. I recently came to know that I this series has like 10 books and I only have 2 of them. And I don't even have the first 2 books. I just read the first one as an ebook, and I also have to read the second one, and I think this is the third one. I have the third and fourth one, but I don't know whether this is the third one or the fourth one. So this has been sitting in my shelf for a long time. So I plan on reading at least one or two shopaholic books. I actually really liked the first one. It felt like, Regina George, Mean Girls, all that kind. And also felt like, Elle Woods from Legally Blonde. So I'm gonna read at least one or probably two of shopaholic books. The next one I have planned to read is The Intruder by Frida McFadden. If you guys know me, I'm a very huge Frida McFadden fan, and the only two genres that I enjoy reading is thrillers and romance. So, since this book happened, I ordered it, I got it, and it was just sitting in my shelf, all very pretty, and I didn't want to take it very soon because all the old books which I have not read still has been like staring at me like this. So I planned to read this next month. This is about a solo cabin in the woods where an unknown girl shows up. I have no idea about the plot, but I'm just gonna go with an open mind and hope that Frida surprises me. As always, I know she will, and I know she will manipulate my mind in such a way that even though I figure out the twist, I'm still gonna be surprised anyway, because at the last page she will keep something. So this is the second book I plan to read this February. The third book that I am planning to read for this February is Resurrecting Sunshine. See, I am usually not a huge fan of science fiction. I don't read science fiction. I don't even watch science fiction. Only thing I like was Stranger Things, sci-fi, paranormal thing. But I've decided to branch out and try new things. So I just bought this and I really got a very good deal with it. So this is about a girl whose memories has been wiped, and I think her memories are used to bring another man to life, something like that. This had great reviews when I saw, and I'm optimistic. I hope I will like this because I am usually very lousy when it comes to sci-fi. I don't enjoy sci-fi. It's not like I don't enjoy it. I just don't really get into it. I love romance and thrillers. I don't know whether I like it or not, but let's see. This is the third book I have been planning to read this February. And the fourth book I've planned to read is Heartless by Elsie Silver. It's the Chestnut Spring series. I have been wanting to read this one for the longest time, and I got this as my birthday present in the form of a book bouquet. Sweetest gift ever. So I've planned to read two of these books. I have no idea what the story is. I just know it's very cutesy romance, and I feel like it's been very long since I've read a very cutesy romance, and I don't know what order it is. I only have four books. I don't have the fifth one. I have to get it. So I am planning to read Heartless and one more thing. I don't know which one I'll read, but I am really in the mood for some cute romance. And I hope, it lives appropriately to the hype that has been created, because everywhere I open, it's like Chestnut Spring, Chestnut Spring. I know for a fact that Book Talk will not cheat me. So I want to read this one and the next one probably. I'll read two of this. and keep the remaining two for the next months. I don't know when I'll read this, but I want to read two of these books. Yeah, as I said, I told I'll read two. I took Heartless, then this flawless cover, it's very attractive, it's very cute. It was just pulling me towards it. So I think I'll read Heartless and Flawless. I'll keep the next, I think, Reckless, I think, and one more, and Hopeless, don't have it. So I think I'll read Heartless and Flawless for this month. And the final book that I am planning for February is Wake the Hollow by Gabby Triana. This book, I just bought it today, Sunday. I just went to a book fair which was conducted at Prozone. It's from Sapna Book House. It's an annual thing where you get 70% off on fiction books, and for new releases you get like 20% off. And for children's book, I guess it's 40% off. It's happening from January 24 to February 8th. Yeah. So I got this today. It's a horror book. I've literally never read a single horror book in an entire life. I watch horror movies. I'm very scared of horror movies, but I still watch them because I like the vibes, all creepy and eerie vibes and all that. I've never read a horror book and I don't know how it will work because the thing that makes horror movies scarier is all the sound effects, the jump scares, and all that, and I don't know how they'll bring it in a book. But the moment I read the one line, I thought I'll bring this one home from the fair. And this kind of impressed me because here's the story, right? There's this girl, she was living in a hometown and she just moves away from the hometown to live with her father. And after a long time, her mother alone lives in this hometown itself. And after she comes back, I think she gets a mail saying it's very urgent, come back home or something. When she comes, her mother dies, and there's something very paranormal happening here. And if she doesn't find out what's happening, she might end up killed or something that happened to her mother. So she has to find out what's happening. This really impressed me, and I haven't read books like this before. So I think I'll read this for February. Although I have another choice, I have to read Dead Ends, which is our book, the one that we all wrote together. If you've seen my videos, you would have known. We all together as classmates, we wrote a book which was compiled and published into a full length novel. I think I want to read that too, but I don't know, with all my exams, and I'm preparing for CUET because I have to go to MSc, all that. With all that going on, I haven't had the time to read books. I never thought a day would come like this for me to not have time to read books. So, yeah, that happened. So, I have to read at least 5 to 6 books this month. And I'll let you know how it goes.